The complete flap disc production line are as below. 1. Jumbo roll slitting machine. This machine is used to slitting abrasive jumbo rolls to narrow rolls that is used to produce the flap disc. The slitting range can be changed by changing the spacer. The slitting speed is also adjustable. 2. Flap disc making machine. This machine is used to produce flap disc with diameter 100 to 180 millimeters. The machine has 8 workstations and has function of putting fiberglass backing disc, automatic coated glue, automatic cutting flaps and automatic shaping and pick up the finished flap disc. The machine production capacity is about 5,000-5,500 PCS. 3. Electric curing oven. This machine is used to heat the semi-finished flap disc. Usually it will need to heat 7 to 8 hours. The heating temperature is about 110-125 degrees Celsius. We have different volume curing oven, such as 2 cbm, 3 cbm and 5 cbm for your option. 4. Automatic labeling machine. This machine is used to put label on the flap disc. We have 2 types labeling machine. One is used to put paper label on the flap disc, the other is used to put the adhesive label on the flap disc. Both of them are fully automatic machine. 5. Automatic shrinking machine. This machine is used to pack the finished flap disc. The packing quantity can be adjusted on the machine.